train arrives at 4:40, which...
Well, our next bus arrives in another 2 hours.
Flight departs in 8 hours.
Your train departs in 4.5 minutes.
My plane lands at 11, so I'll be with you around 12, okay?
Okay, so what time does your plane land?
Judith, how soon do we land?
We land in Val Verde in exactly 11 hours.
Well,
So when does your plane land on Saturday?
I leave on the first flight in the morning.
Bus leaves tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. sharp.
What time does the next train leave?
Where and at what time does the train leave for Baskerville?
Yeah, we do, because the bus leaves in an hour.
My ship sails on Monday.
The ship sails tomorrow morning.
What time does the ship sail?
My plane takes off in 10 minutes.
There's only an hour before the plane takes off.
The bus comes in exactly 3 minutes.
Well, my bus comes in about 2 hours.
Besides, you know I don't work tomorrow.
But next week I have a meeting with the school board.
But tomorrow, class begins.
School finishes at 3:15.
How soon do we go live?
How soon do we start?
I work tomorrow, but I'm off the day after. Nice.
Look, school starts in 5 minutes, all right?
Ms. Saunders, what time does the Senate,
Convene.
My shift ends at 8 on Wednesday, okay?
Okay, now what time does the presentation start?
School starts next week, right?
They meet tomorrow.
Tomorrow I have a meeting at Thompson's house.
Your class begins in 20 minutes.
When does the movie start? The after party starts in 15 minutes.
Performance starts at 2:30.
The wedding starts in 3.5 hours.
What time does the game start?
What time does the poetry contest start?
Mom, the show ends at 10.
Oh, what time does the show finish?
Oh no, the IMAX show ends tomorrow.
What time does the play finish?
10:30.
The exhibition opens in 12 days.
You know, my latest exhibition opens in a few weeks.
But you see, my birthday is tomorrow.
So what time does the next show go on? What time does the last race go on?
Dude, the store opens at noon. Better step it up. The Apple store closes at 10.
I'm still waiting to hear from that job, and the store closes at 9, so you can eat that.
It says that the store closes on Christmas Eve, and it doesn't reopen for a year from now.
It's Christmas Eve, and this offer ends at midnight.
My shop opens in a few weeks.
Now, lunch starts at 11.
Okay, so what time does the dinner start?
Our shop closes at 6.
So Eric, your dad's muffler shop opens tomorrow.
The hardware store opens at 8.
The lunch starts in 2 hours.
The store opens in 10 minutes.
The store closes in about 5 minutes.
What time does the designer come?
What time does the front door lock downstairs?
What time does the post office close today?